Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. We're here at the shop, waiting for my 7 a.m. client to get here. He said he got bubble guts.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
So, want to go ahead and get into the shop. I think I have 9 clients today. It's Saturday. It's looking beautiful out here. It's not warm. It's not cold. It's perfect. But we got something in the mail today, guys. We got some TPOB. And of course, you got to have the daily caffeine as well. But let's open this box and show you guys what we got. I've been waiting for this for a little bit. I've seen all the other TPOB influencers. That sounds weird. I've seen all the other TPOB teammates getting stuff. And so they're more on the West Coast. So I was like, man, where's my box at? Where's my box at? So it's in. It's been here for a few days now. I'm a little late to get into this, but I like to take my time when I'm doing unboxings and stuff like that. And it's just time's not been of the essence lately. So it's just been pretty busy, pretty booked up at the shop. And today I got time.
Today I got time, cuz.
Today we got time. So we're gonna get to this unboxing, show you guys. Well, it's not gonna be an unboxing. I'm gonna pull out what's in here and show you guys what it is. And then I'm gonna do separate unboxing videos that you guys could catch up on and see what we're gonna look at with the clippers as far as like RPMs, all the specs and all that stuff. That's gonna be a different video, but I'm gonna show you guys what we got. But let's get in the shop. So yesterday I left pretty quick, and I think I did something stupid. And I put my smock hanging over the outside of the cape. So hopefully it's not all types of hair in there. That sucks. But yeah, hopefully it's not a hairy day. I had to get a vest, well, not a smock, but a vest. We had to rock with the vest here because TPOB be making fun of aprons. I've seen too many memes about aprons, so I had to get something else to wear. I'm just playing. But let's look into the box. Let's see what we got right off the bat because I got time because my client's running late. So let's open the box, see what we got. All right, y'all. So never mind all this tape. I already sliced this open because I was nosy. I just wanted to see what we got ASAP. No Rocky. But here is the TPOB X. As you can see here, this is the new edition. It has the charging dock, and they eliminated the hanging hook. So there's no hanging hook. So let me show you real quick. I had a trimmer over here. Where is it at? Oh, here it is. All right. So as you can see on this right here, there's a hanging hook. So this has been eliminated. So that's completely gone. And now you have a charging dock as well. So there is the TPOB X. We'll get more into that on another video. And then we have the TPOB X. Let's see here. Let's get this bad boy out. There we go. TPOB X, the pink edition. This one I don't believe has a charging dock. Maybe I'm wrong. I mean, they are the same size. But we'll have to open it and see. They feel about... No, this one feels a little heavier. Anyway, so you got the pink right there, TPOB X trimmer. We'll get more into that. And then we have the TPOB X clipper there with the charging base on there. Yeah, I'm really excited to use this. It has different blades and stuff, but I'm not gonna dive too much into that. But there it is. We're gonna go ahead and do the unboxings on another video, but I'm gonna use them today at the shop so you guys can see what they're looking like. All right, so now that y'all seen that, what we got in the box, let me introduce y'all to my Bubble Guts client here. Bang Bang Niner Gang. I'm not a Niner fan. You know it's Raider Nation up here.
Nah, he's lying.
You can't even see it. You know it's Raider Nation over
That's
here.
not even his dude.
This is my boo. I'm B Rabbit. We about to freestyle right now. So let's get to this haircut. One of the perks of working down the street 2 minutes away, no, 3 minutes, is I can come home and eat some breakfast. What you eating? Hey, what you eating? Eggs? Let's see the Hulk. Do the Hulk. We got a homemade croissant sandwich. What are you eating?
Bacon and rice.
Bacon and rice? How about you?
I'm eating rice, eggs, and bacon.
And so is Michael.
Rice and
eggs mixed up.
Huh?
Rice and eggs mixed up.
Like fried rice, kind of? Well, it basically is.
Oh, it's fried rice?
Kind of. But it's 10:10. Been at the shop 3 hours. I'm gonna get this food digested and back to the shop. Let me know what y'all think about the haircuts that we've done so far in the comments. Back to work we go. We got how many more clients? I think we have like 4 or 5 more clients. And then I'm going to go scoop up a little present for myself. I'm a sneakerhead, so I had to cop something, and I'm about to go cop that today right after I get off of work. I have a sneaker plug who been holding this pair for me for the past week because I've been busy at work, and he works on the weekend. He works throughout the week, and then he works at the sneaker place on the weekend. So last weekend I was in Albuquerque, couldn't get a hold of them. So this weekend we're back in town, so I'm gonna go and get those shoes. Anyways, I'm cruising around right now. I passed the shop because somebody was literally turning into parking the spot I was going to park in, and I'm holding the camera, so I shouldn't be doing that. But we're gonna get to the shop now. I'm gonna find a better parking spot, and we're gonna get to these next haircuts, and they're gonna be blurry, and they're gonna be icy, and we only using TPOB products. Self plug: if you guys are gonna buy anything off thepissedoffbarber.com, use promo code Jayblends, Jayblends, to save yourself 15% off of your purchase. They got shears, they got shears, clippers, trimmers, combo packs, all that good stuff. So y'all go tap in, go support your boy one time. Promo code sales, 15% of those sales goes to your boy. So show me some love, man. Show the brand some love. And if you really want to show some love, go get the Jayblends Influencer Edition clipper, the gray gunmetal troll with the Jayblends signature on the blade. Really dope clipper. I use it daily, not just because it has my name on it, but I really enjoy that rotary motor on the troll. But let's get to the shop. Let's get to these haircuts. Done rambling. I see you cutting like them clippers is an ice cube. Sheesh. We got a new addition to the team here. What's the name, brother?
Hector.
Hector. And what's your IG handle?
Hector23.
I'm gonna get it from you and we'll type it and we'll put it in the video, okay, bro. But looking icy, bro.
Appreciate you.
And I'm gonna have to blur out what you're using, bro. Nah, just playing. Alright, y'all, so today we're gonna do my favorite haircut. I don't get to do it often, but we're gonna go, what are we doing?
Letting it go.
Letting it go. We're gonna get a crispy beard line right here. We're gonna chisel that dry. Pause. Before we go, we got some mullet action there. Look at that. Already, bro. How was your first day?
It was good.
A1?
A1.
You were busy today, bro.
Yeah, it was a good day for my first day. Good? Just good?
Ah. The boss man here with that blurry work. Sheesh. And Fofo doing what he usually does. Nah, I'm just kidding. Fofo's always busy. Well, I appreciate everybody for coming to the shop with me today. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Let me know what you guys thought of the haircuts. But before I go, I wanted to show you guys the shoes that we about to cop right now. So we're gonna head over to the sneaker spot and go pick up the breads. I'm really excited for these shoes. I sold my breads, the OG breads, which I wish I wouldn't have done, but I did. But I like the reimagined breads more because if you're a sneakerhead, you know the difference between the nubuck and then the leather that it has on the reimagined now. So I feel like the reimagined breads are just a lot easier to clean the hair off and just overall wipe down after you leave the shop. Nubuck is like a lot more difficult to clean and a lot more time consuming. So I'm gonna head over there, head over to the sneaker spot, go grab the sneakers, go grab some dinner, and just chill the rest of the night. But I want y'all to see the shoes because I'm just excited to get them. But Michael, you want to tell them a little joke?
Why did the outlaw hold up air-conditioned banks?
Why?
To get cold cash.
We're here at the sneaker spot, Materialistic Junkies. Go follow them on IG at Materialistic. Is it underscore or just materialistic? Yeah, at Materialistic underscore Junkies. I'll put it on the screen for y'all. But there they are, the reimagined breads. Y'all can get mad at me on the comments, but these are way better than the OG. Like I told y'all, the nubuck is just hard to clean, especially if you're a barber. So this leather right here is perfect. But shout out my boy right here. You want to plug anything for the spot, bro?
Materialistic Junkies on all platforms.
All platforms.
Hey, this is one of the best barbers in Amarillo, Texas.
Hey,
Check him out. Book with him. I never can because I'm too busy, but I see his work every day.
I was gonna say
and
he says that, but he never
loyal to
comes.
me, so I gotta come see
Alrighty,
him.
bro. I appreciate you, bro.
Much love to you, brother.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
You, Thank you.
All right, everybody. So I appreciate you guys riding along with me today at the shop and just through the overall day-to-day basis within the shop life. We just left Target, and it is the first time since the PS3, and I had that back in 2010. So that's the last game console I have personally owned ever. So today we went out and bought a Switch because we wanted to play some games, Grand Theft Auto to be exact. Grand Theft Auto is just a nostalgic game. We thought, let's go grab this Switch, see what it's about, and then also the Grand Theft Auto trilogy. So we're gonna go and hook this up and play some games. But it's been a dope day. Saturdays are always my favorite day. I don't know about y'all, but I feel like on Saturdays, it's one of those days as a barber that it goes by the fastest. I feel like Fridays are those days that are the longest because you're just waiting for Saturday. You're waiting for that last day of work. So I feel like Fridays drag the most, and then Saturdays are that day. It's like it's just a fun day. It's just a good day. So we had a good day at the shop. Had a good day after I got off of work. Went out to eat. Went to the sneaker store to go get the shoes. I also bought my wife a pair of Dunks as well. I got a problem. I have a problem. As you can see, that's just some of the sneaker collection there. Your boy's got a problem. My wife, I got her on the sneaker game. Now, when I first met her, she wasn't a sneakerhead at all. She didn't like sneakers, flats, heels, running shoes, basic stuff like that. Now I got her and she's a sneakerhead herself. So that's what happens when you get into a relationship. You guys start rubbing off on each other, and that's what it'd be like. Oh, another thing I want to talk about before I get off of this is I noticed today that I had, if you guys noticed within my the haircuts that you've seen today, there's a lot of variation and there's a lot of different types of cuts. And most of the time, I tend to see that on certain days, there's like a large amount of people that book that day of the same certain type of haircut. And I just find that weird. Today was like one of those days where it just varied completely. I mean, my client list and my type of clientele, it varies altogether. But there's just certain times when like I feel like there's days where like nothing but my Asian clients book. There's days where nothing but my Mexican clients book, and there's days where nothing but my black clients book. But Saturday is one of those days that I have that everybody, like all ethnicities, all different types of hair textures, they all book on that day for some reason. But it's just crazy how that happens. But one of the things I wanted to say is that the reason why I have my clientele so diverse and so varied is because of the way I advertise. Now, one of the things that you should do as a barber is to advertise what you're looking for. Advertise the type of cuts that you want to be in your chair. Advertise to those people that you're trying to reach. So for instance, there was this one week where I had posted, like, I think, and then that day I did like 3 different beards. So I posted three different beard haircuts that day. And I tagged all these guys on Facebook that I knew personally, the clients that I had them on Facebook. So I tagged them. And so the picture of their beards popped up on their feed as well. And so everybody in their network of people on Facebook seen those 3 clients, seen whoever specific person that they knew out of those 3 clients, or if they knew all 3 of them, they seen that they got their beard done all at this location. So that week I did, like, I want to say 9 beard trims just from those 3 pictures alone. And so my point is, if you are looking for a certain type of cut, if you're looking for a certain type of client, post those types of clients. So like for me, I like a variation, so I post all different types of haircuts. So if I wanted to pinpoint a specific niche as far as haircuts, I would just post that specific type of haircuts. So say you want to be a barber that only cuts waivers, only post waiver content. And that is the type of clients that you will get in your chair, or the type of people that you attract. So just a little tidbit information for those who are trying to build clientele. If you want a specific type of clientele, cater to those type of clientele, post content specifically towards that type of clientele, and that's the type of clientele you will get in your chair in the end of it. So if you're new, you should be cutting everybody, hands down. No questions asked. You really don't have a deciding factor in what type of clientele you want, because you want to get paid, you want to get money, so you should be cutting everybody and anybody you can. But that is my tidbit of information for y'all, my little gem for y'all in this video. I know in the past vlogs I try to put some type of gem in there, so there's a bit of info, a bit of knowledge for y'all. Hopefully that helps you guys out. But that'll do it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the day at the shop. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn on post notifications. We got the unboxing videos for the Candy X clipper, the Candy X trimmer, and also the Slime X trimmer with the charging dock. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna have unboxings for y'all for that. But that'll do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, until next time, God bless.